So for exercise 2, first I'm going to show you how to expand the resources. After you've already downloaded the exercise resources, in Windows, go and find your downloads, find the file, right-click on and select Extract All, and hit OK in the dialog box that comes up. It'll pop up with the resources. On Mac, you'll just go to your Downloads folder, double-click the resources, and it will open up. Now back in GameMaker, we're going to make a new project. Click New, then drag and drop, then type in a project name. I'm going to name mine Exercise 2-Eric Merrill, and hit Save. And this is going to come up. First, we're going to go over to Sprite in the resource tree, right-click on it, and select Create Sprite. Then name this first sprite SPT_ball. Go to Import, go and find the resource in your Downloads folder, greenball.png, and select it. And you'll see we have a ball on a transparent background. You can then close out of that window, and we're going to repeat this process for the two more sprites, SPT wall and SPT BG metal. Now we're going to go and create the sound. Right click on Sounds, Create Sound, and I'm going to name this SND Bounce. Click on the three dots to the right and go and find bounce.wave, and then you can close out of this. You're all set. Next, we're going to create our objects. I'm going to right click in the workspace area and select Resources, Create Object. I'm going to start out with OBJ wall, and then in the box where it says no sprite, click, and in the box that comes up, select SPT wall, and we're going to click solid. Then I'm going to X out, and we're going to create another new object. This time we're going to do OBJ ball, and then select sprite ball. It's not going to be solid this time, but we're going to add some events. The first event we're going to add is the create event, and in the actions list we want to go find the movement group, and in there we are going to do set direction random and click the left and right arrows, and then go and find set speed, and we're going to set that to 8. This will cause the ball to move either randomly to the left or right at 8 pixels per step when the game starts. Now we're going to add an additional event, this time collision with OBJ wall. Now we're going to add a few actions to this. First, in the movement group, we want to find the reverse action and add it. Then in the audio group, go find play audio. Next to where it says no one, select and then click sound bounce. This is going to make it so that each time the ball runs into a wall, it will reverse directions and play the bounce sound. Now I'm going to go find room 0 over in the resources and double click to bring me into the room editor. Make sure to click on the instances layer on the left, and then I'm going to go find object wall in my resource tree. Now I can hold down my Alt or Option key and then click and drag to draw walls. I'm going to draw a vertical wall on the left and a vertical wall on the right. Exactly where or how big doesn't really matter. Next, I'm going to add the ball to the room just by dragging it over from the resource tree. Finally, I'm going to go click on the background layer, and then down in the properties box, select the BG metal sprite, and then click horizontal tile and vertical tile, and your room should look like this. Now to run the game, we're going to go and make sure we've saved the project, and then we can hit the run button. It's going to compile and launch the game. If we've done everything correctly, the ball will start out moving back and forth and bounce off the walls, beeping each time. That's it for this exercise. Simply export it and submit it as we did in exercise 1.